You probably already know the most common use of alcoholic beverages. Obviously, it's for drinking. But did you know just how helpful it can be in making delicious dishes? Welcome back to InfoHack. We're going to reveal everything you need to know about cooking with alcohol. Chefs have been using alcohol to enhance the flavor of even the most basic dishes for many years. When alcohol is added during the cooking or baking process, it can create a heightened dining experience. The reason lies in the science. Alcohol molecules evaporate at a high rate. Because of this, the aroma of the food fills the air more readily than it would normally. This can elevate the enjoyment of food as most of the sensation of taste comes from smell. According to Food52.com, another molecular quality of alcohol that contributes to flavor enhancement is that it bonds with both water and fat molecules in our food, allowing it to carry aroma and flavor. For those of us on diets, alcohol can replace some oil and butter in recipes while still adding moisture and flavor. Simply split the amount of butter or oil you would use in a recipe and use the beverage of your choice to replace it. Alcohol can be used for different aspects of cooking. One great way alcohol can be added to a dish is through the use of it in a marinade. When using alcoholic beverages to marinate meats, it is best to pair clear alcohol like white wines, tequila, and gin with white meat and seafood, while using darker alcohol such as whiskey and red wine with darker meats such as beef and pork. Sauces and reductions are another common way alcohol can be used in cooking. Alcohol is often used to create pan sauce, which is made by adding wine or beer into a pan that was just used to cook meat. This pulls up any caramelized bits that got stuck onto the pan while cooking, combines them with the liquid, turning them into a rich and flavorful sauce. Spirits can also add a little kick in sweets. Alcohol is commonly used in baked desserts and poached fruit. When adding alcohol to baked goods, it's important to remember that it will often change the structure of each type of dessert, but will enhance the flavor and eating experience. Wine is one of the most popular alcoholic beverages to cook with, and with the variety of aromas and flavors wine has to offer, it's no wonder why. When cooking with wine, it is wise to take advantage of each individual variety's undertones and consider that when choosing what to pair with it. According to most chefs, price and quality of the wine does not matter when cooking. So, avoid using a $100 bottle of Pinot Grigio for your pasta. That's all we have for you, curious minds. What's your favorite way to use alcohol in cooking? Leave a comment below, like and share if you like this video and want to see more interesting information and life hacks. Follow us on Facebook and subscribe to our YouTube channel. See you next time on InfoHack.